Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Leos. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. And I'll be picking one card from the Oracle guidance, guys. So if you want clarity, you can watch that. So that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are the cards for your general energies first, guys. Leos. We have Hierophant, Queen of Swords in reverse and Nine of Pentacles. So Leos, in your situation, it may be in your work situation or in this relationship, maybe you have people around you in your work, or it may be the person you are in relationship with. So they are not honest or truthful, or they do not have true intentions towards you. So this person is hiding something, guys. Maybe they are just concerned about their well-being and they are selfish and they are not at all concerned about you. They do not worry about you at all, and maybe they are here to try and make use of you in some ways, guys. And maybe for some of you, I also see that this person may not be truly interested in this love or in this connection, but they are here just to have fun, to spend time with you, to enjoy the happiness of this relationship, but they do not want commitment with you, guys. Leos. And also maybe they are trying to prove certain things. Maybe in their past relationship they would have felt a lot of hurt, and they are showing all that, or they are trying to live that story again, maybe with a change of roles. Maybe they are behaving like they love you and they are treating you well, but in truth they are not honest. They do not like you truthfully, guys, and they are hiding something. Maybe they are here in this connection maybe to live that experience again for some reason, and they are not being really honest with you. But your situation may change, guys. Maybe this person may find a way out of their past, maybe if they are still hurt and if they still harbor the negative emotions they have towards their past connection. So something is worrying them or stressing them. That is the reason for the way things are. They do not want to reveal you everything about them and feel hurt again. Maybe they were quite open and they were in a very positive relationship with the previous person, but what they did to them was simply has left a mark on this person, and they cannot get over it. But I also see that your love and the way you are, the way you shower love is going to change this person, guys. Maybe this person will understand you and they will come around. They will see what true love is and what it can do. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. It's Page of Cups in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe just like I said, maybe whatever this person is showing you or telling you may not be the truth. But if you have true love on this person, you can wait for them, guys. Because with this card here, the Nine of Pentacles, so all the negative things happening may change and you may see a positive outcome in your situation, guys, Leo. So it is in your hands. If you want this person and what you have on them is true love, you can wait for them, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Knight of Cups, guys. So with this card, it just means that there is an unexpected opening for you, something unexpected, good things are coming in your relationship, in your career situation, guys. Sorry, guys, in your work situation. So it may be unexpected projects or deals, something taking you towards a brighter future. So some positive changes are here for you, guys, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the card for your oracle guidance. We have Yang. So with this card, guys, Leos, it just means that you are in a circumstance or you are in a situation where you need to take charge or make the move today. And maybe in this relationship, this is not the time for you to wait. It is okay to make the first move. So if you love this person and if you want this relationship, you can make the first move. Go ahead, propose your love, make this person understand, and this is the time for you to take the lead, guys. And love is in the air today for you, and things will go positively for you, guys, if you are proposing to this person. And if you want a positive response, you can do it today. Go ahead and propose. Things will fall into place in this relationship. And this card is a positive sign for taking action. So whatever it is, let it be your relationship or let it be in your work situation. Maybe you are making some important decisions. You want to step up in your work regarding some projects or assignments. So whatever needs to be done, you can take the first step, guys, and it is a very auspicious sign, this card, and it stands for right actions. And whatever actions you take, if you do it with honesty, you are going to reap greater rewards today, guys, Leos. So that is the reading with these cards, Leos. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.